if you are looking for a portable generator to power your 30 amp RV. So how long as you have an idea of how much power you need, you're in the right place. Portable generators come in all shapes and sizes, offering different combinations of features. Typically, an RV will need a 30 amp power outlet on the generator. There are many products available to choose 30 amp RV generators, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best 30 amp RV generators from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. WIN 2250-watt gas-powered portable inverter generator. The Briggs & Stratton P3000 PowerSmart Quiet RV generator is a great choice for anyone that wants to be able to see their power usage whenever they want to. Coming with a handy LCD screen that will help you to be able to see your power usage whenever you want to look. Not only this, but the LCD screen will also show you the amount of hours that the generator has been running for up to current time. It even tells you any kinds of maintenance that needs to be done soon. Of course, the biggest downside of this generator is the heavy weight of 84 pounds, but the wheels on this generator mean that you are able to move the generator around pretty easily, so it's actually pretty portable. If you wish to, you can run 2 of these generators at once, if you have an RV with 2 air conditioning units that eat a lot of power. It also has an impressive 10 hours of runtime at a 25% load, supplying a grand total of 21.7 running amps. Number 2. Generac GP3500 EO Open Frame RV Ready Inverter Generator. This portable generator, quieter and lighter alternative. Weighing only 74.3 pounds, the Generac is up to 50% quieter than other RV-ready portable generators. This is perfect for quieter campsites and for the noise-conscious camper. This portable generator has 3 power outlets, 2 20 amp sockets for general power leads, and a 30 amp outlet for you to plug in your RV power cord. There are also 2 USB ports that allow you to charge smaller devices like phones, tablets, etc. The body of the generator is mostly brown-gray, with a splash of tangerine orange on the top. This is encased by the exposed frame that allows you to carry the portable generator easily. Parallel powered, there is also the capability to attach 2 of these units together for double the power. The control panel is laid out very clearly, with simple labeling avoiding any confusion. This Generac generator is designed to be up to 25% lighter than other competing generators, making it easier to carry and transport. Number 3. Westinghouse Outdoor Power Equipment. This generator offers a dual fuel option, gasoline and/or propane. You can get up to 12 hours of runtime from a 6.6-gallon fuel tank, and 17.5 hours runtime at 25% load, making this a great generator option for RVs. This generator has a 457cc 4-stroke engine. There are 6 outlets on the control panel of this portable generator, 4 of which are 20 amp sockets for general power cords, 1 is a 50 amp outlet, and, most importantly, there is a 30 amp outlet, ideal for connecting your RV to a power source. The Westinghouse portable generator has a dial that allows you to choose the fuel type, a VFT meter and a mini screen, a one-touch engine start button, and covers for all of the outlets. Aesthetically, the blue body of the generator is encased by a sturdy frame that doubles up as a handle, so that you can transport it around on the large wheels. The automatic low oil shut-off feature means that you will never run the risk of breaking your generator. It will shut off automatically. Number 4. Yamaha Gas-Powered Portable Inverter. The Yamaha brand has been creating great quality generators for a long time, so you can be sure that when you buy this product you will get high quality and dependability. The generator comes with an electric and a pulse start, and it's even able to run for up to 19 hours with just 1 tank of gas. It also has an energy boost feature, which means that the generator can draw even more energy out of the battery to create an extra 500 watts of power when you need it. Number 5. Honda 2800 W120V Inverter Portable Gas Generator. If you're looking for an option with a lot of power, look no further than the Honda Handy EU 3000 watt inverter generator. This generator is able to provide enough power to keep an AC unit running among other appliances. The generator has an electric start feature, which means that you don't need to mess around with the crank start component. If the electric start doesn't work properly though, there is no need to worry, as it also has a crank start option as a backup. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.